Our day 3 drive is from Seoni, Madhya Pradesh to Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, which is of about 600 kilometers. After breakfast, we started from our hotel Vatica celebration in Seoni at around 8:30 in the morning and soon reached National Highway 44, that is north-south corridor. Today we are going to leave this north-south corridor at Lakhnadan. We took this highway from Bengaluru and so far completed about 1,250 kilometers on National Highway 44.
We have just left our hotel from Seoni Vatica celebrations. Now we are on National Highway 44. We will be on this highway for another 24 kilometers.
On Indian highways, you will find trucks on all lanes. Here you can see two trucks are racing.
We are still going to be on National Highway 44 for another 7 kilometers. Then we'll go on to National Highway 34.
Our journey on National Highway 44, that is north-south corridor, ends here at Lakhnadan. We are now taking National Highway 34 towards Jabalpur.
We have just entered National Highway 34. Well, we will be continuing this highway towards Varanasi.
We are now on National Highway 34 and 80 kilometers away from Jabalpur. I like the median design here. In case a vehicle loses control, this median may be able to stop it from jumping to the opposite side. NH34 is fairly empty. Looking at the vegetation, area seems to be dry. Ambient temperature is high today, nearly 40 degrees Celsius. Good restaurants are very limited, and for bio-break, cocoa fuel stations are good option. We are now crossing Jabalpur. The city is on our right. We are leaving National Highway 34 and entering National Highway 30 towards Uttar Pradesh. This is an accident site. Just curious how this truck landed here in opposite direction.
You need to be careful while driving on these roads during night because there are so many cows.
We stopped for lunch at Yadav Dhaba, Ghunwara. Family restaurants are very limited on National Highway 30. It was hot outside. We ordered a light lunch. Then we picked up a couple of bottles of cold drinks and restarted our journey to Varanasi after about an hour. We are about to exit Madhya Pradesh. This is integrated Madhya Pradesh border checkpost. I hope there is no check for private vehicles. Yeah, here I am allowed to go without any check, and we are about to enter Uttar Pradesh.
So we have entered Uttar Pradesh. We are 130 kilometers away from our destination Varanasi. Our pilot still looks strong. He wanted to go to Muzaffarpur today itself, but we wanted to stay at Varanasi and see what would be there in Varanasi.
Beautiful expressways in UP. You will enjoy driving on this kind of roads. This is National Highway 135.
We are near Mirzapur. You must have heard about Mirzapur on the famous TV series Mirzapur. Our pilot still looks strong, no signs of any fatigue. We are still 59 kilometers away from our destination. TPMS looks alright. We are starting to cross the famous river, the Ganga.
Right onto State Highway 74.
So we have finished crossing the Ganga.
After entering Varanasi, we encountered traffic on narrow streets, which delayed our arrival. Few friends in Bengaluru were live tracking us and started inquiring about the delay. Then Google Map landed us on a wrong place. After some guidance from the hotel, finally we reached our Hotel Bandana residency.
This is the secure parking. See, this is the secure parking. That's the gate. Yeah, this is like true. See?
Day 4 was a relaxing day for us in Varanasi. While we went to Ashighat during daytime, but weather was hot and we did not want to expose the kids, so returned to our hotel. We again went to Ashighat during the evening, watched Ganga Arati and took a river cruise.
We are on a river cruise here on the Ganges, the holy river. This is our hotel in Varanasi, Bandana Residency. I mainly selected this hotel because they have very good car parking space, and this is within their own compound, which is secured. You can see there is good enough space for car parking, and I was told that the gate is closed at around midnight.